Nature centers are one of my favorite things actually about state parks. We do get people that don't know what some of the animals you might find here, or people who do know everything but just want a nice central location to come and ask questions. And nature centers give us a place to be, to tell people those fun things. It gives school groups a place to go. It gives people who are tired after hiking the trails a place to rest and to learn. We had a wonderful nature center built 30 years ago. We had lots of neat things there that were highlighted and featured, but like our landscape is changing, information is changing, things are changing. With the renovation, we're able to highlight the different things as they came. That's a nice part about these renovations. It keeps things fresh, and it also allows us to add new things that are happening in real time. Being able to get those kids in, get them interested, and get them caring is super important, because a lot of times kids don't get a chance to really get as close to nature as we as adults may have. So to give them an opportunity to let them know what lives here, why it's important, because they're going to inherit this.